Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Wise on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. After the app opens, tap on the search button in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Wise and press enter. Once you see the app in the search results, click on it and then hit the install button to begin the download. The installation will take just a few moments. Once it's done, you will see the Wise app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the icon to open the app. If you are a new user, you can sign up using your email or phone number, or you can log in if you already have an account. Once you are logged in, you are all set to start using Wise for the international payments. You can now send, receive, and manage money with ease. And that's it. Now you know how to install Wise on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.